is Dearby. I am a representative from Smpn 2 Cicalengka. Here I will read a book entitled Little and Raptor. Author Nanyek Tr. The Starry Kids Publisher. Published in May 2015. 64-page thick book. The main characters of this book are Yadi and Ramli. Yadi and Ramli, since childhood, have was taught to live independent by his parents. One day, the two children wanted to ask the remaining chicken feather, which has been tomorrow no way for nothing in the Rubens dome. Mr. Carnady asked a boiler chicken and rap runner. Day by day, their business is progressing. Yadi and Ramli's success at apparently makes Mr. Carnady jealous and greedy. They are no longer allowed to pick up their chicken feather, but that didn't give up. They looked for a place to sell their chicken, and in the end that me Mr. Komar, the owner of a chicken slaughterhouse, who was very kind and generous. They were given assistance to carry the feathers. The lesson I got for this book is capturing. Don't give up easily because every problem has a solution. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.